Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add music to WhatsApp status in just a few simple steps. First, open WhatsApp on your mobile. Next, tap on Updates at the bottom. If it says Status instead, you need to update WhatsApp first. To do that, go to the Play Store. Search for WhatsApp in the search bar. Open it from there. Then, update it from here. Once it's updated, go back to WhatsApp and tap on Updates. Now tap on Add Status and select a video or image on which you want to add music. Now, tap the music icon at the top. Here, you will find a lot of music options. You can also search for music here. Select one and adjust it. After adjusting, tap the Done button at the top right corner. Then, tap the Share button. Wait a little. The music has been added. You can see it now. And that's it. How to add music to WhatsApp status. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.